everybody, welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know a bunch of ways that we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and these refrigerators and create a tasty meal just for you. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's go through our cabinets and see what we got for this week. Budget Wednesday! Cabinets of dreams, how are they? Let me see. Oh, big syrup. Nope. Pasta? Maybe. Not too sure yet. Let's see. Balsamic vinaigrette. That always sounds good. Do we have anything up here? We have some ackee and we have some palm outer palms, but I don't feel like that this week. I don't really feel like nothing in the cabinets this time around. Let's go in the fridge and see what we have in the fridge. Good luck next time. Let's go, cabinet. Let's go, refrigerator. Woo! 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 Someone didn't go shopping. All right, so we look like we're limited on items. So let's check our magic box here. I have some thyme. I can tell you about the thyme. And let me see. I have some scotch bonnet peppers. You know, we got some peppers in that bad boy. What else we got over here? We got some few mushrooms. I mean, like, this is gonna be a budget Wednesday to remember, people. All right. We got some baby carrots. We do something with that. And no, it's empty. Let's see what else we have. That's about it for the fridge right now. Let's go in the freezer. We never use this bad boy, but let's use it today. We're low on limited on items. What is this? Oh, we have some drumsticks. Wow, that's some drumsticks for real. And then we have some peas. We have some cod. What else we have? We have some, no, we don't want that. All right. Well, I don't know what I'm cooking with all these ingredients. As you can see, we have chicken, we have peas, corn. Oh, we have tomato. Oh yeah, don't forget. Oh yeah, I forgot to have some sweet potatoes here. You know what I mean? I said I have to do something with that. And then I have my plantains. So once you have plantain, you have a full balanced meal. You need nothing else. You're good to go. And we have rice. So it's gonna be a budget meal. And I think I have an idea what I'm gonna put together with the list of ingredients you see here. All right, people. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're on a true budget this week. So what can we make with these few ingredients right quick? I'm gonna decide to make a little curry chicken. I know why slime is so hard, but curry chicken with some rice, and of course we're gonna have our plantains in it. All right. So it's gonna be amazing.
you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
All right. Our finished meal is upon us, man. Listen, this meal took about let's say 30 seconds. I'm gonna say 30 seconds, 30 minutes to cook. I wish it was 30 seconds. That'd be a microwavable dinner. But anyways, yo, this meal right here, I can't wait to get my lips on top of it. Anyways, guys, curry chicken, real simple meal, something quick. You know what I mean? We took simple ingredients and saw that we start with a bare minimum, but this is what it turned out to be after I'm done with it. We didn't have a lot to work with, but we made magic out of it. Guys, Budget Wednesday is all about taking what you got inside of your house and making meals, delicious meals, gourmet meals on a budget. So, enough of that long talking business. Time for me to sample this bad boy, see what the real deal is. Woo, wait, hold on. Look at that chicken, look at that chicken right there, look at that. I'm not trying to be greedy. Just trying to take a little bit of everything. That's what I was going to talk about, boy. I'm talking about that right there, boy. I'm talking about right there. Uncle Otis, don't play with that thing right there, boy. We going in the kitchen there, boy. We going in the kitchen there, boy. Woo! Curry chicken. Done right. I'm going to tell you. It took me 30 minutes to get done. I'm telling you, it took me 30 minutes to get this thing done. I got food all in my mouth. It took me 30 minutes to get this bad boy done. Yeah, it wasn't hard. Let me tell you the easy preparation to make it, right? When you're making curry chicken, it's all about cutting your chicken in small chunk pieces. That's what you want to do, like I show you guys on the camera. The reason being is the seasoning absorb that meat a little bit better when you chop it up. When you do that big curry chicken, that tastes good, that tastes right. And our curry chicken up. We make one chicken to serve the whole nation, you understand? So, like I said, if you want this recipe, you know what to do. Don't email me or text me or call me because I'm not going to give it to you. But you can follow the instructions along on the video though. You can follow that if you find that out. Anyways, let me stop being a mad person. Let me go enjoy this meal. Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. Once again, I'm your host, Chef Kirk. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, tell a friend about a friend. And of course, pick up, the sauce, pick up one of my sauces if you want to. If not, I'm gonna eat them anyway because they're delicious. I'm about to be out here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Peace.